valley are also experiencing flooding.
Meteorologist Lisa Meadows is live at the Sacramento Weir tracking conditions there. Lisa?
Well, guys, 9 gates are scheduled to open here with the Sacramento Weir coming up here tonight to help release water from a very swollen Sacramento River. Now, we are continuing to see flood concerns across a good portion of Northern California. Flooded roadways have been forcing people to find other ways around Sacramento County.
Usually I drive through Highway 5, Twin Cities, to get to Galt, and I haven't been able to get over here because sometimes it's flooded.
Dillard Road saw almost half a foot of water on it near Highway 99 today, and multiple locations along New Hope Road and Galt were covered in water, forcing it to close, causing travel headaches for many drivers.
It's white knuckle for me because it's always, you don't want to get in a car accident. You've got to be very patient.
Roadways aren't the only thing being impacted by the water we've seen. Emerald Lakes Golf Course is losing money due to flooding.
We have the course open with limited access. 7 of the 9 holes at the moment are closed. They're underwater.
There's no surprise we are seeing so many flooding problems across Northern California. We've seen almost 3.5 inches of rain, with a train of storm systems hitting Sacramento just this week. Blame the atmospheric river. It has continuously taken aim at the area throughout the wet season, bringing almost 10 inches of rain in January and almost 9.5 inches through the wet months last year. This while we still have more wet months to go and potentially more problems.
We need the rain. That's a plus, but the inconvenience of driving in the rain is terrible. I've seen lots of accidents.
And with more rain in the forecast, of course, we are going to continue to see more of these flooding concerns. Sam and Christina.
All right, Lisa, thanks so much. Live for us tonight in Sacramento County. And